Hello and welcome to Tom's Toolbox. I'm your host, Tom Clark, and today we're going to explain the benefits of engineered rail. As many as 90% of manufacturers fabricate their own load handling solutions, welding angle iron, sheet steel, and I-beams together to create rails on which they can roll raw material, components, and finished products through their production facilities. Now, these home-built solutions often are cost justified as less expensive options. While high-performance materials initially can seem more expensive, businesses should evaluate the total cost of ownership when planning to implement a new rail solution. Machined to tight tolerances, engineered rail provides consistent straightness, which reduces wear on rollers, bearings, and the rail itself. Engineered rail comes in standard lengths and with standard spacing for mounting holes. Osborn load rails, for example, are made from 1045 steel and come in 3 standard profile sizes. To enable equipment manufacturers a way of standardizing load-carrying solutions, engineered rail is available in lengths up to 12 feet. Mounting holes are spaced every 12 inches, which speeds up installation, repairs, or replacement. Having the holes pre-drilled by the factory at fixed distances reduces the fluctuations of the rail material while under load as compared to field-drilled holes in other materials. Osborn also addresses the material fluctuations by producing its load rail with a standard hardness up to 65 HRC, while the standard hardness of Osborn load runners rollers is up to 60 HRC. The fact that engineered rail is precisely cut enables consistent movement within the installation, eliminating stresses that wear down and lower the rail over time. Another key quality factor is the smoothness of the rail ends. Rail solutions fabricated on site typically are saw cut, and this method can prevent clean end-to-end transitions when the lengths exceed the standard rail lengths. Many businesses choose inexpensive rail solutions based on the initial purchase price of the rail material versus reviewing the total cost of ownership. And when building the business case for the investment in rail, it's also important to evaluate costs that will arise over the entire life cycle of the load hauling system. That analysis will reveal that using engineered rail makes rollers and the rail last longer. Inexpensive rail solutions can accelerate the wear of the rolling elements by as much as a factor of 10. Other issues such as repairs, material replacement, production downtime, and the labor associated with these can add up over the life of the system. Businesses seeking to increase operational efficiency can benefit by using engineered rail as maintenance and repairs are simpler. Engineered rail uses standard lengths that can be quickly unbolted and replaced with rail of the same length and hole locations. The replacement rail can be kept in stock or ordered from Motion Industries at a moment's notice. This eliminates variability in rail material and doesn't require on-site fabrication and welding for a custom fit. Often overlooked when designing applications, engineered rail plays a significant role in the overall success of any load-moving process. Properly specified, engineered rail optimizes line speed and product handling, regardless of the machinery used. Well, that's going to do it for this edition of Tom's Toolbox. Now, if you notice, we didn't have on a PPE today, but we had it on the table here just in case. Make sure whatever job you're doing at your facility, you're wearing the appropriate PPE because safety is always priority number 1. Number 2, check out more videos just like this one with great information and demos at mihowto.com with me, Tom Clark, as your host. Thanks for watching.